box of Lulu's Legos. How about a birthday cake? Yeah! Okay, come on. Oh, you get the actually, I'll get some stuff. How do we make a cake? Yeah. How about a recipe? Good idea, Jeremy. I think we do.
How about a coconut loaf or layer cake?
I don't understand these directions.
Me neither.
I've got a recipe. How about we just try to make a cake on our own?
Maybe you're right. Here, I know we need some sugar and maybe some flour and some Jell-O and maybe some graham cracker crumbs, maybe one anchovy and some cranberry sauce.
Okay.
Maybe a little crackers. How about some jelly? And of course, we can't forget the nuts.
We need some things to mix the masher stuff. This is actually a good idea.
I did forget the salt.
This is going to be a best cake ever. Oh, we almost forgot the anchovies and the crackers. You put in the crackers. I'll put in the anchovies.
Oh, I hope Mom loves the cake.
We're working awful hard.
Boy,
Looks yummy. Yeah. Looks awful yummy.
oh boy, I can't wait to taste it.
We almost forgot to start the oven. Yeah, it's going to be yummy. I hope Mom likes it because we've been working on it a long, long time. I hope Mom likes it.
I think so.
Mom on it. Oh.
Don't forget to spread the cake out.
I know. I wonder what we should get for Mommy's birthday.
I was thinking about some flowers. How about you?
I guess so. Yeah, me too. Girls love flowers, you know. Yeah. Like Mommy. Especially in. I'm gonna pull it in. No, ring. Oh, the cake's done. Well, we got another one. Oh, yeah, Mom. Come on, Mommy. Close your eyes. Yeah. Follow me.
Where are we going?
Nowhere special.
Are you sure I'm not going to hit a wall? Okay, I'm trusting you.
Okay, get it. Yeah. Turn around.
Okay.
Now.
Oh my, I love surprises.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Mommy. Happy birthday to you. Mommy, turn your head and open your eyes.
Look at that beautiful cake. Did you make this?
Yep, all by myself.
Oh, it is lovely. Daddy didn't help you?
Nope.
And you iced it and everything. It
Put
is
flowers
lovely.
on it.
Oh, thank you. Thank you. And thank you. Mwah. It looks lovely.
We made it.
For you.
We made it.
You made it all by yourself. Children, I just thank you so much. I must have the rest.